Well, hello, and uh, it's connecting. I just realized I didn't have the camera on seconds before. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Ah, yes. Ha! All right, well, let's turn that brightness down just a touch. Just a tiny touch. There we go. And maybe a little bit more. That's about right. Sure, let's go with that. Okay, so everybody, here's the deal. Every few years, some new tool or something comes along that doesn't understand what used to be just kind of one line that, well, yeah, kind of sort of one line that you needed to have. That was a little bit smaller than what you see on the screen here, but this is basically if you just had this one line in your code, then it would work in browsers, it would work in bundlers, it would work with all the tools, everything was fine. And then, you know, one of the things came along that changed how the window object worked, and so the window object was always in Node. And then that broke things. And then they changed how the module object worked. And then the module object was in all these new bundlers. And then they changed how, I don't know, I don't remember what the latest change is that breaks things, but there's more changes that break things, and now we need to have a separate window and exported object, and I'm trying to figure that out. So this is the one that seems like it's working, but I think I need to do a little bit more to get it just right. So I am going to be doing this in the context of a Dash project, but this is not a Dash stream. This is just an AJ figuring out some stuff stream. So I was working on Dash phrase, and I ran into this problem again. So what I'm going to try to do is there's two things that I want to come out here. I want the TypeScript checker to not whine and moan about me using both the window object and the export object. And I think the thing that I have to do to avoid that is I have to make sure that, so it needs to know what types are being exported. So the module has to be up at the top, I think not inside of a function. And it also needs to know things like window.crypto and require node crypto are the same, and it needs to know that, and then we need this to work with Vite. So I think the first thing I'm going to do is to try to get this to work with Vite, and the bit that I showed you is the bit that's in here right now as is. So we have the window, we have the use strict, we have this object that goes into the global if it's a browser, but if it's not a browser, then it gets scoped the way that it ought to. And then because the module.export exists, it should trigger the condition that exports everything that's on the dash phrase object should be treated as an export. And then maybe this gets ignored because this comes first. I'm not really sure what the right way to do it is. In fact, I think I want to change this. I want to try something else real quick before I even get to that. So what I want to try is, because the one problem the example that I'm showing here doesn't solve is occasionally you get modules that have interdependence and they have a circular reference, and this will not work for that type of modules because you cannot write the module.exports if you want it to work for a circular reference. So that said, I think I need to let dash phrase and then either say dash phrase is equal to module.exports, or if not, dash phrase is equal to object. I think that these both will work, because this will put it on the window. This will cause the TypeScript checker to understand that it's a module. This will give everything scope in the browser context. And then maybe we can just get rid of this here. If undefined is type of module, or maybe we still need to have that. But I think we can get rid of this one at the bottom now. I think we get rid of that. So, and now the question becomes, could we... Yeah, that's going to get loaded. So the thing that I don't like about this is this goes up at the top rather than the bottom. But I'm not quite sure how else to fix that. I thought, well, wouldn't it be nice if we could make this a function? Anonymous, not anonymous, but anonymous function that we call with dash phrase, which is the export. But then we still need to be able to have window defined even when window isn't defined, so that we can do window.crypto or require node crypto. So, I don't know. Hold on, let me adjust the heaters here. They're warmed up. All three of them. Okay. Now they're all in low. All right, so that's the problem we're trying to solve. And then JojoBite created for me, I need to go find this. He created for me a vanilla Vite project. All right, that background music seems a little bit loud. I'm going to turn that down just a touch. Let me see here. There we go. I think that's a little bit better. Let me know if that was too low. But before it seemed a little loud. Okay. Oh wait, that didn't change it at all, did it? It only changed it for me. Whatever. Okay, so he created me this empty Vite project, I think. Vanilla Vite. No. Okay, no, he just gave me a link in Discord then. So I'm going to go check Discord and see if I can find the link that he sent me for Vanilla Vite. Oh, this is so nasty trying to do it this way. There's got to be... Somebody's got to be able to help me find a way to slim this down. Because it used to be basically just this. And then because the way they shimmied this, that, and the other with the module and with the exports and with the window, you can't just use module or exports. You got to use module, and then you can't... And then you still got to pass the window. It's just... I just can't even. Whatever. Okay. So that code, where did he come up with the vanilla? Let's see, search, and how do I just search everything? From user JojoBite, and then let's look for Vite. Now I can't see. This is too. Hold on, I gotta move this over to the other screen so I can see it because the search bar is taking up too much room. No results. No results for a message from JojoBite mentioning Vite. I don't believe that for 2 seconds. Okay, Vite, browser. Scaffold your first Vite project. Okay, let me bring this up. Doesn't matter which browser I have open. It always wants to go to the wrong browser. Okay. So I have to say something like template vanilla, I think. So let's see, npm create. Oh, this must be a new thing with npm because people were naming their modules create, so I think they have some new package syntax. Okay, so npm create, and then I need to give it something or other. Let's do demo. So we're going to go to demo. I'm going to say create demo. Is that what we want? Template vanilla. So, by the way, I think this is really good documentation. More documentation needs to use either my or foo or some sort of metasyntactic variable to let you know that it's not a built-in option or the expected flag or something like that. All right, let's see what this does. Okay, create Vite. Select frame. I just told you which framework, fool. Seriously? Oh no, oh no, they changed the way the double dash works. Okay, well, that should have still worked in npm 6. Hold on, let's try this again. And it should be like this. Yeah, they put the dash in the wrong place. So I'd kind of like to update their documentation because this is actually, it's incorrect. It works, I imagine. I didn't try it this way, but this is incorrect. So the double dash needs to be consumed by npm. And so you give npm its arguments, then you need the double dash. Is there a wiki edit or something on here? Edit. I just want to see if I can find this. So, okay, let's see. Dude, GitHub. Man, my eyes are not adjusted yet this morning. That's crazy. Normally, I don't have that problem. How's it going? Does anybody know where the Vite guide, GitHub? What's Vite on GitHub? My eyes are having a little bit of trouble adjusting this morning. Maybe it's because I've got this light is too bright. Hold on, let me turn this down a little bit. I don't know what it is. Maybe something's too bright. Maybe it's because we haven't had a quick word from our not a sponsor, Mr. Diet Mountain Dew. Pop top, my friends. Let's open focus and open our eyes. There we go. By the way, I did find, I don't know, did I mention this already? I was thinking it. I don't know if I actually said it out loud. But I did find that it is in fact Mountain Dew Zero is the first to freeze. So I left out all except for original Mountain Dew. Diet Mountain Dew, Diet Caffeine Free Mountain Dew Zero, and Fresca. I left them all outside for the last few days. And the Mountain Dew Zero was first to freeze. And I think it's the one that I put out there just last night. So I think I put it out there most recently. I can't think of anything else that would explain it. A nice cold Mountain Dew is an ice cold Mountain Dew, baby. All right, let's see if we can find. Is the guide here? Is there docs? Guide? Okay, cool. And what is the thing that we're looking at called? First, let me get this one out of the way. We don't need this anymore. Are there any other windows I can get out of the way? I don't think we need this window right now. Alright, this is scaffolding. Vanilla. No, search in this repository. Nope. Oh, suggest changes. There it is. There it is. Okay. So. There we go. Used it in the correct place. Okay, description. Alright. The POSIX standard for the double dash is that it goes after the last flag of the program that consumes it. Oh, this is, I actually put it in the wrong place still. Not before the first flag of the program that needs to be escaped. Although the current behavior works, it is confusing and will likely lead to people doing copy pasta, making the incorrect modification based on the current semantic use, and then meeting doom when everything goes wrong for no reason. I don't think it needs any additional context. So it's kind of a silent bug at the moment because it works by mistake. Okay, documentation update, bug fix. Oh no, I don't want to do all that. I'm just going to select these. I'm sorry, I just can't be bothered. They want it or they don't want it. I'm just going to put NA. I just can't be bothered. So it should be npm create. I'm going to double check this because yeah, it should go here. Let's make sure that that works. Yes. Okay. So I actually put it in the wrong place myself. So I'm going to go update this real quick. Let's see. Come on, Flippy Doodle. I don't understand why I can't get to my commit from here. Because I want to edit. I want to edit the commit that I made. Okay, no, I want to go to my own fork. Yes. Okay, and then I've got what branch do I have? Okay, patch 1. Oh, this is so frustrating. Okay, what is my branch called? Why do they do this? Main patch 1. And what is the path of this file? Okay. Alright, so can we then get to docs guide index? Okay. Let's go to docs guide index. Okay, and then let's go back here. Whoops. And it's not an extra double dash is needed. Let's see. POSIX double dash. Let's see if it has a name. Yeah. After flags and options. Right, okay. So this is a subcommand. So I'm going to put it there. No, dang it. No, I didn't want to do that. There we go. After all flags and arguments, but whoops, flags and options, but not arguments of the program that consumes it, not before the first flag of the program that needs to be escaped. Yeah. Since npm create is a subcommand, and there are no flags or options being passed, it should go before the first argument. Okay. Okay, this is main now. That's not what I wanted. Let me go back to patch. So that's how these things go, detours and all that. Oh, that's kind of loud. Okay, squash me. There we go. So contribute that. Oh, whoops. And did I not grab... Where's my Stack Overflow thingy about this? Did I just drop that like it was hot? I did. Okay, let me grab that again. Create or npm go before npm creates first argument. Semantics that are currently being shown, which are this meeting, and then meeting doom when everything goes wrong for no reason. Alright, there we go. just want to go ahead and put this right in there. So that everybody can see. Okay. There we go. Actually, I'm just going to leave this alone, because I want the true difference to kind of stand out. And maybe command, subcommand, escape, argument, arg1, arg1, prime, opt1. Oh, whoops. That didn't work at all. Why did they not make this editor friendly to, let's see. There we go, that works. Okay, so now that I'm done being pedantic, let's see if we have time to move forward. Okay. Demo, npm install. Oh, heaven help us. npm run dev. Why don't they use Caddy? Everybody needs to be using Caddy. LOV. Okay, cool. So I guess I need to go back into this project. Alright, so now we're on to what the heck does Vite do? And can we get it to work? So let's try main.js. Alright, let's try import dash phrase from, and then how about dash phrase? npm install dash phrase. Oops. At 1. Oh, another thing I thought that we need to do. I need to put, sorry, this is tangential, as are many things, but add minify script to each. Before deploying to npm and therefore unpackage, each project should have a minified version built. C, where's AJ query? Good old AJ query. If you haven't been using AJ query, you've been missing out. No, not jQuery. Nobody's interested in that anymore. AJ query. Yes. The fastest, most lightweight, least dependency jQuery alternative. Everybody wants one. There we go. Whoops. Let me undo that close tab. Copy permalink. Why do they not have this fixed? Why is the editor not fixed with? Dash phrase. Dash phrase done. There we go. That's just a general note that I need to do for these. Okay. So, heaven help us. Dash phrase is defined but never used. Set up counter. Secrets. Okay, good. This is good. At least it's using template literals. Let's see. Dash phrase dot. I think it's generate. Can't do it. Can't do it. Let me double check what our mabob is called. I think it's called generate. And I think the default should be 128, so let's just go with that. And let's see. Okay, what was the local host something or other? Okay, let's see what's going on here. Package.json. Oh, whoops. It actually is wrong. Okay, cool. No harm in fixing that. Let's go to dash phrase. How did I miss that one? Huh? Somebody tell me. Oh, fish and noodles. Main is dash phrase. Dash phrase. Okay, let's try this then. Do I need to clear the cache or something? Is there a clear cache. Okay, let's see. Vite clear cache. All right, let's try this then. Let's try changing the package version down here. Whoops. No. Oh, interesting. Oh wait, it got the wrong one. That was weird. Hold on. Ah, whatever. I don't care. Hey, object promise. That's awesome. Okay, cool. All right, so monkey patching is a little bit difficult because of its caching strategy. I wish that it would do that differently, but whatever. Await is not defined. Screw you. Await sure is defined. Okay, or maybe it's not. Whatever. Alright, so can we just do async function main? Main? No, this doesn't need use strict because it's a module. It's the only good thing that they did with modules. Is they made that the default. Come on! Why? Why you gotta be like that? Oh, oops. Okay, that was my bad. All right, cool. So maybe not. I'm kind of confused. Let's see what happens here. If we open up crypto.getRandomValues, that is absolutely 100%. Ah, crap, this doesn't work. Okay, I think I understand why now. Let's do -0 on this. See if that works. Hardcore monkey patching going on here. Oh, man. Okay. Let's see. So we can't do this. Okay, so now our goal is not to make it object, but to make it window. And then we can always do window.dashPhrase. Okay. I think this will work. No, I don't want to. I don't want to tempt fate here. Okay, I guess we have to change the version again. Come on! Come on! What do you mean get random values is not a function? Okay, again, this might just be because of the caching stuff, so let's just try it again this way. Nope. Okay. I'm not really sure how to take this. Let's say we just get rid of that and rebuild it. It's not a function. Okay, how do we fix this problemo? I don't think I have time to fix it. Well, I got maybe 10 minutes. Hey, how's it going? What's up, Startup Builder? Thanks for the follow. Okay. Wait, did this just rebuild? Console.log window.crypto. I think it might be doing some sort of isolation. I have in the package.json crypto false, but that's supposed to prevent node crypto from loading. Debug. Hey, how's it going? What's up? I'm AJ O'Neill. And I am trying to figure out how to make a little function let's see that that will work with Vite and not break compatibility with browsers in general. Because all these stupid bundlers, none of them want to work with JavaScript. They all want to work with these, futuristic, possible, one day might be deployed module systems that are not even well defined in the spec. We already have well-defined module systems that work, that don't require modification to work, except for that the bundlers keep screwing them up. Okay. So it used to be just a line here and a line here is now becoming an extra 6 lines, 7 lines here, and then another line here. Whoops. That's supposed to be if not dash phrase. I mean, I guess we could do it all like that. That shouldn't be necessary. Actually, that should be automatic. Okay. So would it be nice if I could fit into this which I don't want to because it's already convoluted and confusing. Okay, but I need to get this working. That's the problem. I added this debug here so we can see, you know, and then I could edit main. Sure, let's just edit main so that it kicks off any I don't know, I'm just gonna console.log 1. There we go. Okay. I don't want node crypto. Okay, again, I think I see what's going on here. So I think that it's a cache bug, because I think that I'm monkey patching the code with the intent of, hey, I'm trying to figure out what's wrong. I don't want to have to go through an entire publish cycle just to figure out that some code needs monkey patching. Pardon me while I cry like a baby, because I'm ticked off, because this stuff, there's no reason that it shouldn't work. Okay, so that one, dashphrase.js, and then the package.json. All right, where are the cache files? That's what I want to know. How do I delete the cache files? Oh no, it's creating proxies. So this is my question. I see that 1 is logged, and by my reckoning, so demo, node modules, dashphrase.js. So by my reckoning, this console.debug should get logged. So why is it giving this warning? Okay, let me just make sure. I'm pretty sure in package.json I put crypto false. Yeah, see? Crypto false. So what is going on here? Do we have any Vite experts on the line? Dear chat, I'd like to phone a friend. How do I get Vite to run code? Where is Vite's cache stored? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it putting it? I need to delete the cache. What is the file path of the Vite cache? What is the file path of the Vite cache? Okay, so I guess there's a config file here. Maybe I missed that before because I don't see a config file. Counter, index, JavaScript, Main, modules, package, lock, package. Maybe, is it in the package JSON? Alright, let's bump the version here. Type, module. Obviously, if this code were running, it would have these console.logs in it. I mean, can we agree on that? Am I mistaken? Let's see. Vite monkey patch node modules. How do we monkey patch a node module? No. Okay, let's try this. Locally modify. There we go. Okay, let's try. Okay, I mean, what's going on here? Okay, Alright, so what I'm going to do then... Maybe I can try this. Maybe, what if I do this? What if I try... We're going to take... this and we're going to bring it up to here. Because I've got the package problem solved maybe-ish. So let's do browser... crypto false. Don't want it to break. And maybe I shouldn't have that. Okay, but let's try from main here. Let's try doing /passphrase.js. And then, okay, so now we get a whole bunch of other problems. And let's just try run dev again. Did I /? Okay, so maybe I have to take away this and then just tell it to use, maybe I have to do main.mjs or something. Okay, no, not that. Alright, so maybe I just need to do require? I don't know. I really don't care about all this stuff. I just want to see what its malfunction is. I don't really care about the setup counter. I don't really care about the JavaScript logo. Okay, what's its gripe? Require is not defined. But how is that? I'm so confused. All right. Vite common JS. Dependency pre-bundling. All right, I'm just going to try publishing this thing. We'll do this. We'll do Vite shim dash phrase, and then I'll just publish it. All right, so then let's go back on this one. npm install, let's see, and this needs to be Vite shim dash phrase. And npm install save Vite shim dash phrase. Okay. Now what's going to happen? Will the stars align? Hey! Okay, cool. So it looks like it works. The problem is just that there's a cache somewhere that I'm not able to delete. Okay. And all I have to say to that is F you, Vite. F you. Oh. All right. Well, oh, hey everybody. I think that I'm going to have to wrap this up and continue later. I might get back on tonight with it. But if anybody, if I could phone a friend, if somebody can tell me how do you, oh, wait, is it here? Nodemodules.vite. Oh, that was it. Was that it the whole time? Okay, I'm going to try this real quick. That's what I was looking for. We need to get that back in those Stack Overflow answers. Okay, is it .vite here? No. Is it .vite in demo nodemodules.vite? Okay, good. All right, so let's try this then. Let's just rough those, and then let's see what the result is. How does it feel about it? It doesn't seem to feel anything about it. All right, so let's go back into demo main. Let's just try this. We're going to try it with dash phrase. We're going to try taking the dash phrase. I'm going to undo at least this package.json nonsense. Okay, get diff. Oh, that's weird. I thought I already updated the license bit earlier. Oh, okay. You know what we're going to do? We are going to check out the package.json here. Do we need to do anything different with this one? Okay, this was wrong. Oops. So I'm just going to commit this one, and this is fix. Package.json.main. Dash phrase.js. Okay, I'm just curious about this package lock. Oh, that's fine. Sure. Update package lock.json. Alright, and then dash phrase. Okay, so here's what we're going to check that we can do. We're going to take package.json, we're going to take dash phrase.js, we're going to put it in demo node modules dash phrase. So that's the correct direction to go with this. Okay, we are going to rumruff node modules.vite and then npm run dev. All right, and then can we run Linux GUI apps in WSL? I think we can now. I'm not sure. I'm not 100%, but I think that's been updated. Okay, so this is now working. So the question is, all right, so big huzzah. Big huzzah, okay? It's working! It's working! Wait, did that play? Okay, it did play good. I just didn't hear it over the music. You probably didn't hear it over the music either. All right, well, I'm going to have to go momentarily. We were on 207, Pure Heart. I have to resume the music back there. So I'm going to check to see if there's anybody we can raid. But the good news is, okay, at least I got the Vite problem solved. I still want to get the TypeScript problem solved, the TypeScript checker problem solved. But at least we've got the Vite problem somewhat handled. Man, that's a beezy though. Oh man, that just ticks me off in the worst way. All this convoluted, complicated crap. No way to debug it easily. I mean, thankfully they do mention in the documentation, but we need to get that over. Let's see. So the answer is, where's archive.org at for us? Let's go to archive.org, because you cannot count on, I mean, these frameworks, that you're going to change the documentation every day, right? So let's go ahead and make a new version of this with some hope. Okay, web archive, Wayback Machine, save in Wayback Machine. That's what I want. Let's go here. Let's do this. Let's save the page. And then let's go reference that page. So I'm going to say, according to archive, all right, let's see. You can make this your run command. So do rumruff node modules dot vite npm run dev. Delete cache. Okay, so reload dev without cache. This worked for me. Monkey patch away. I was pulling my hair out trying to debug a dependency that needed a PR and doing dumb stuff like republishing Vite Shem Foobar because I couldn't find the cache. But I found it. So now I can monkey patch things too. All right. Whoops. It's called what is it called? What do they call it? Dep pre-bundling? Pre-bundling. Do you get points when reacting to a question on Stack Overflow? I don't know. I don't care about points on Stack Overflow. I say that, but I'm also one of the top ranked people on Stack Overflow of all time. But it happened by accident. I just answered a couple of questions very thoroughly 10 years ago, and I've probably got about 4 questions that make up, one of them is half of this, another one's the next 20%, another one's the next 20%, another one's the rest of it. Okay. But if you accept an answer, you get points. I know that. It's not called caching, but rather dep pre-bundling. Because we wouldn't want the average Joe's search terms to work, now would we? Wink. All right. Cool. Yeah. Okay. So there's that. And yeah, I really do got to go. Okay. So I will, I'm just going to pull up real quick and see if there's anybody that I want to try to raid. So give me a second for that. Twitch.tv. And then who we got here? Let's see. We got somebody playing games. And RWX Rob is, so we're just going to do that. RWX Rob again. He's on, so he gets it. Okay, everybody. I'll catch you later. Adios.